Samsung's August 2021 event gave us two new foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3, as well as a new smartwatch, the Galaxy Watch 4. However, we have yet to hear anything officially about the much-anticipated Galaxy S22 models. Some huge leaks about Samsung's next flagship phone have surely piqued people's interest in the Galaxy models, which is set to come out in January 2022. According to major leaks, the S22 Ultra will have the most interesting camera enhancements in a Samsung phone ever. It is said to have a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 12-megapixel telephoto sensor with 3 times optical zoom. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra would include a 108-megapixel camera with a level of polish unseen in prior versions. The most significant update to the Galaxy S22 could be the addition of an under-display camera, which debuted to mixed reviews with the Galaxy Z Fold 3. This would allow for a genuine full-screen design without the need for a punch hole at the top. A punch hole camera with a sub-display has been patented by Samsung. Given that the iPhone 13 is expected to retain a notch design, although it is expected to be smaller than the iPhone 12, this design adjustment could provide Samsung a significant advantage over the iPhone. The Galaxy S22 is rumored to have a smaller display and battery than its predecessor. It may have a 6.01-inch display, a 6.55-inch display for the Galaxy S22 Plus, and a 6.81-inch display for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Galaxy S21 range, by comparison, features 6.2, 6.7, and 6.8-inch displays, respectively. The Galaxy S22 will come with a 3,800 mAh battery, the Galaxy S22 Plus with a 4,600 mAh battery, which is a 200 mAh downgrade from its predecessors. However, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will have a 5,000 mAh battery, just like the S21 Ultra. Galaxy S22 Ultra is rumored to scale the refresh rate on its display from 120 Hz to 1 Hz, thanks to LTPO technology. As shown in the current Galaxy S21 range, this helps preserve battery life greatly. One of the major leaks is about graphics performance. With a GPU based on AMD's RDNA2 architecture, which also powers the PS5 and Xbox Series X, the Samsung Galaxy S22 could see a significant jump in graphics performance. That's not to claim the Galaxy S22 will match the power of today's gaming consoles, but it might easily outperform every other smartphone currently present. Samsung is also expected to reintroduce vapor chamber cooling in its flagship phones to tackle the overheating. Though it doesn't say which phones would have the technology, it's likely that the Galaxy S22 will be one of them, especially if the reports about its AMD GPU are true. Samsung could also improve the Galaxy S22 lineup to accommodate 65-watt charging, which would result in much faster charging times than the Galaxy S21 and Galaxy Note 20 lineups, which both support 25-watt charging. The Galaxy S22 is expected to be similar in price to the Galaxy S21 series. The Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra were each priced at $799, $999, and $1,199. So the S22 series is expected to start at the same price. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to leave a like, leave your thoughts in the comments down below, subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified of our next videos, and I will see you in the next one.